Hello, good morning, viewers. Welcome to Musabah Breaking News. Today, 10 December 2021. With me, Putina Sari. Here is the topic live. Mencuan, a special culinary dish from Banyumas District, Central Java Province, has been approved as an edible culture, heritage by the Education, Culture, Research and Technology Ministry. The approval was obtained during the 2021 Indonesian Intangible Cultural Heritage Determination Session, held in Jakarta from October 26 until 30, 2021. Mencuan has been finally registered as an Intangible Cultural Heritage in the category of skills and proficiency in traditional craft. The proposal process has been carried out since 2020. Head of the Traditional Values section of the Banyumas District Youth, Sports, Culture and Tourism Office, Ms. Pan, here on Saturday. He said the selection process while carried in several states comprising administrative selection by the Secretariat of Intangible Cultural Heritage, first and second proposal meetings by the Intangible Cultural Heritage expert team, as well as presentation of proposal by regional representative and proposal verification. According to Ms. Pan, his office is a number of photos, videos, and academic research supporting the administrative requirements for the proposal to the Education and Culture Office of Central Java Province. The provincial office then submitted it to the Directorate General of Culture of the Ministry, he said. Furthermore, Ms. Pan informed that the region traditional dance called Ebek had also been accepted as Intangible Cultural Heritage under the category of Performing Arts. Data regional James held to other two determination session addition similarities with other traditional arts, for instance, Jatilan from Purworejo District and Kuda Lumping from East Java Province, which also depicts a group of herdsmen, he said. In addition, the section had said that one of the characters in Banyumas Wayang, Indonesian traditional puppet play, Kalbar, has also been proposed as an intangible cultural heritage. However, the proposal has been postponed because it requires to be verified by a stringent academic study. He added, "Well, viewers, that is breaking news for today. Don't forget always obedient on health protocol. And I'm Putri Ramasari. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day."